Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from June 10th to June 20th. And as they are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. For a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below, and you can follow me on Instagram for additional readings. The link for that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what we have for Scorpios. Okay. What are the messages from this deck for Scorpios? Guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Message from the universe. So Scorpios, you are leaving something behind and moving very fast towards something new. And you are moving very rapidly and in a very passionate way towards something or someone, and you are leaving something which was important for you emotionally, or you see, it can be that you are leaving something which you were emotional about at one point in time, and and your intuition says that it's right for you, so definitely moving away from something, crossing all the hurdles, trying to cross all the hurdles and moving at a very fast pace towards something or somebody else or someone. And since you are moving very fast without even thinking or taking a rational decision, it is a very rash way to move in any direction. And since you didn't even bother to think about the pros and cons, you were rushing towards it because you just wanted to have it at any cost, that you've done some mistake, and here comes the tower. So something has happened because of the fact that you ignored or skipped some detail or skipped some information, skipped something. Some mistake has occurred in moving so fast towards it that you missed a detail, and that is why your plans, or whichever direction you were moving, have been shattered. The plans have been wrecked because of this foolish behavior of yours, without ignoring the details, without knowing things properly and rushing towards something. Okay, and with the Three of Pentacles and the Page of Swords, what I feel is that once this shake-up of events happens and you are just shocked as to what happened after this rapid movement of yours forward, here with the Three of Pentacles, I think, what I feel here is that you are able to restore yourself after discussing with your close ones, whom you trust, your family, your friends. You discuss the situation as to how you're supposed to deal with it, or you come out of it, And with the Page of Swords, you do get the clarity after this discussion, after this talk. You get the clarity, and you really, or you get a new opportunity or a new communication. It's something new which comes in, which it's a sort of a ray of hope as to now you can move. You have something to move ahead. Now this is a something small opportunity, or now you are moving in a slow way because you've realized the mistake of moving so fast. And now over here with the Two of Pentacles, this is something, a new opportunity which has come your way, but now you are being wise with the Two of Pentacles, that you are juggling and trying to take a decision. You are not making a fast decision this time because you've already done that once, and now you are weighing, contemplating, weighing the pros and cons, doing the right thing over here. Now this juggling is not a bad juggling. This is something you are doing is the right thing to do. You are trying to take a balanced decision. You are trying to take a rational decision because you don't want to commit the same mistake again. And with the Eight of Swords, you are juggling, you are weighing the pros and cons because you are scared of committing the same mistakes, and it is holding you back now because you are moving very slow this time. Okay, because you are scared to move ahead at that pace at which you have already done. So this is the past fear which is holding you back. And with the Knight of Cups over here, again, you, after balancing the situation, this time you are moving ahead. Okay, so this is something which you are doing in a rational way after balancing the situation, after realizing the situation, weighing the pros and cons. And with the Knight of Cups, you are moving ahead towards this offer, or to offer something to somebody, your opportunity, your love, your emotions, whatever, or you are moving towards an opportunity, whatever it is. So this time you are doing it wisely after balancing the situation, and that is why here we have the celebration card. You are victorious, you feel happy, you are celebrating with the Three of Hearts. Okay, the Three of Emotion, number 3 may be of some significance for you. 3 is coming twice. Wonderful news is on the way. Announcements regarding engagements, pregnancies, births, or graduations will be revealed. New friends will be made, or communities of like-minded people will draw closer to one another. Exciting new beginnings or happy endings are around the corner. So basically that's what I said. With the Tower, happy endings, and here we have the new beginning. So it is a time of happy endings and the new beginnings. You've learned the lessons from the past, and the wonderful news is on the way. Happy times are coming, and you are celebrating. Number 7 may be of some significance for you. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. So basically, if there is something which is holding you back over here with the Eight of Swords, just take the lesson what the situation had to teach you, because over here you left something you were emotional about and rushed towards something perhaps which you found more attractive or more lucrative, and it came back to you as a tower. Okay, so this time I think you should realize that the only real thing is love. Maybe here you moved towards something which was physically more attractive, perhaps, or financially more lucrative, and it wasn't that good. So this time you're taking a wise decision. It can be that, which is a balanced one, and you are moving comparatively slowly with the Knight of Cups towards that situation. And you should really, because it is Cups, it is talking about emotions. So basically this is the guidance which is coming up, that only real thing is love. So basically you need to shift focus shift your focus back to love. So it's not that you need to be devastated by the fact that because you've suffered this setback. The only thing is that you need to understand that that is real. The only thing is that go wisely and go slow. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpios. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.